INDECOM is sounding alarms, people. INDECOM is sounding alarms. INDECOM is saying that police officers in Jamaica are destroying and dislodging CCTV cameras. They said that this became a trend after last year, November, a shooting was caught on CCTV camera on Rinward Road in Kingston. They said after that incident, police officers became a trend where when they're going on operation, they dislodge or destroy CCTV cameras, public or private properties. Property owners have submitted reports to INDECOM, submitted that they have found their CCTV systems destroyed and discarded in gullies. People, this is serious matter. INDECOM said they wrote to the commissioner's office. They caught police officers on camera doing this, people. On camera. Imagine this a their yard, a good youth, only the worst thing ever done is get a speeding ticket. And police, let's say them get a false information, they say, man, they are your yard. Them kick off your door. And when you kick off your door and you look around and you react, or them know when you react, them kill you. And when them look, them see CCTV camera in your house, them tear it down. No, them put a gun upon you. It's their words against what? INDECOM is also making recommendations to the commissioner that when police are collecting firearms that were found on operations, that they need to store them in forensic bags and do proper evidence collection. This is not being done. People, this is concerning. But anyways, again, these are just my thoughts. What are yours?